Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for April 4th, 2016. We're going to have another clipper system that's going to be diving down here from the Great Lakes. Going to have a cold front with it that's going to cross the area today as well. This will be coming in relatively early, so there was an opportunity for the very, very extreme far northern areas to start off as rain, as snow or a mix of rain and snow. Let's go over to the NAM here, show you what I'm taking a look at when talking about that. We have these blue across the very far northern. This is Susquehanna, Wayne, maybe Pike counties, Sussex County, New Jersey. You might have a little bit of snow to start, and this is going to be mainly left over from what occurred overnight. Actually, we get out of this here. You can see this is now looking at in the early morning hours on Monday. You can see just still the far northern areas here might get into that clip by that a little bit. The rest of it will all just be rain, and I don't think we'll deal with any accumulations any further south than that. We might have a few mixing issues a little further south, all the way down into the Poconos, but that's about it. And then that frontal boundary associated with this area, low pressure, is going to push through the rest of the area through the course of the day, and that's going to allow for just rain showers everywhere else before that pulls through. So here's going back to the global models and showing you what we're looking at. Again, this is going to move south throughout the day. The associated cold front moves with it, and this moves out of here. So it's a pretty quick in and out thing. Probably about a 6 to 8 hour window of rain, but it doesn't rain that entire time. We'll call them on and off showers, and of course maybe rain and snow showers further north initially. And then that gets out of here, and then we clear out overnight. It's going to have decreasing clouds from northwest to southeast. And that happens, decreasing clouds in the evening, and then clear skies overnight is going to allow for a very cold night overnight tonight. And then we're going to get a little bit further here and get into high pressure on Tuesday. This is going to be a mostly sunny day and lighter winds, and the winds are going to pick up a little bit as we get into Wednesday. Get a little bit breezy. Still partly cloudy, though. This is a look at Wednesday morning and afternoon. You can see we're still in the clear. Another system moving in from the west is going to bring another frontal boundary with it. An area low pressure might form along that boundary. As that moves to the east, is still the main area low pressure here, but once low pressure shown to form along that frontal boundary that could bring some locally heavy rainfall if that does in fact occur, and that would be on Thursday, especially later in the day on Thursday. It looks like here's early in the day, really not too much going on, but later in the day on Thursday, and then again Thursday night before the system pulls away. And then since this system is going to be in such close proximity, and not expect any precipitation on Friday, but it will be remain mostly cloudy for the entire area with that system in close proximity to the area. And then we finally get partly cloudy conditions here on Saturday. Still remaining cold until we get to Sunday and we start to moderate once again. Looks like a nice weekend coming up, though, so if you can get through this week with the ups and downs of temperatures and ups and downs with regard to unsettled weather versus just nicer days and sunshine, we'll get into more consistent weather this weekend, and it'll be a little bit worth it, I think, once we get past Saturday. So it'll be the colder of the 2 days, but Sunday warms up a little bit. Both days look dry at this point. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for April 4th, 2016. Have a great Monday.